Hello, my little fluff balls. Today it is me in still hard pain, and I'm bringing you the catch video. These are these are some hairstyles that you can use, that are pretty nice, and some of them might actually have a clippers. I'm not sure. My hair actually is meant to come with my tattoo. I meant to be a deer. So, I will also be doing boys' hair because I'm only doing girls' hair. So because like, where are the boys' hair? Where are the boys? Boys have lots too. Boys. And then I'm gonna have like outfit ideas. I'm gonna have girl outfit ideas and boy outfit ideas. These are the last hairstyles. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.